So for the Wiseathon, I'm handling the dataset titled Police Violence and Racial Equity. So about the dataset, so the dataset has three parts on Kaggle, and in this Wiseathon, I'm dealing with the first part, which deals with death arrests and fatal encounters. This is the dashboard built using Dash, so it is interactive, meaning we can change these filters, and it will change the graph automatically. So here it went from 2000 to 2020. I can filter it by race if I want, and it will again change. So here we can see that the values are basically increasing throughout the years for the people killed in fatal encounters. This is the dispositions, and this is the gender distribution and top five states for encounters. The top five states in this, California is the most the state where like most fatal encounters are happening. Cause of death, we can see that it's gunshot is the dominating part here, and then same thing is for the race versus the cause of death. I will explain this in more detail when I go through the notebook. Now I'm going to explain about the findings from this dataset. So I have two datasets here, death arrest and fatal encounters. So I'm going to skip past the cleaning and the pre-processing part and go to the exploratory data analysis. First, I've tried to analyze the death arrest in USA by states. So California, as you can see here, has the most number, followed by Texas and Florida. Next, this graph is there, which basically is about the people killed by the police based on the races. Then I also decided to like have a look at the race distribution of the people involved in fatal encounters. So this is from the second data set. So here you can see that European American people are the most in number, like it has the most percentage, followed by a large number of people whose races were not really determined in the data set, and then it's the African Americans slash black people. Then I tried to ask myself a question about like gender distribution in these encounters. So it was mostly like 90% is male, and then it is followed by female and transgender. Now we have these cases, fatal encounters, but the thing is that how many of these cases are actually reported. So after like finding out the dataset, I was able to see that a large number of cases are actually unreported, and the cases that are reported are actually still pending investigation, and then only some of them were identified as criminal. You can also see the race distribution for the fatal encounters on the map of USA, since the state code is provided for each data point. And apart from that, I've also shown the distribution of the age of the people involved in these encounters, and it has been dominated by people ranging from 20 to 30 years old to 30 to 40 years old.